Okay. So very good evening to all of you. Okay. Let's start our today's session. In today's session, we are not going to discuss anything new. Only the chapter is new. We are going to start with chapter 8 journals. Nothing new in the entire chapter. We are not going to discuss anything new in the entire chapter. But we may come across new journal entries, which I suppose that all of you will be able to answer, even if you have seen it for the first time. We will make an attempt to answer. Clear? Even if it goes wrong, never mind, or I will explain the concept and then we will understand the chapter journal. And again, all these chapters, starting from chapter number 6, debit and credit journal. Journal happens to be the most important chapter. The reason is, this is, as I told in the previous class, once you understand debit and credit, it not only makes your standard 11 easy, your 12th standard and subsequent studies, if you are continuing after 12th, the same accounts and commerce journey, it will look very, very easy to you. Okay, so this chapter is the most important chapter to make the fundamentals and base very, very strong. So I don't mind spending time on this chapter, because once this chapter is clear, the subsequent chapter, I'm sure I can make it more easy for all of you guys. Okay. The difficulty level definitely will keep on increasing as we progress, or in 12th also, the little bit of difficulty level will increase. Then when you move forward, the difficulty level will increase. But once you are clear on debit and credit, even if the difficulty level increases, you will never feel like that something is difficult actually. So all the concepts will start looking very easy, very simplified to all of you. Okay. So with this background, I will start with few rapid fire questions before we get into the topic. Okay. Everyone is allowed to answer. Okay. Without looking at the book, I will test your understanding now. Capital has a debit balance or a credit balance? Quickly, guys, it will not take much time.
Balance, sir. Credit balance.
Credit balance.
Credit balance.
Okay. When liability decreases, we have to debit or credit?
Debit, sir.
Okay. I'm getting only answer from only one student. When asset decreases, what we shall do?
We should do credit, sir. Credit.
Credit, sir.
Expenses decrease.
Debit, sir.
Credit, sir.
Aditya, expenses decrease means debit or credit?
Credit, yeah. Oh, sorry, credit, sir.
Credit. Income increase means?
Credit.
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 Capital decrease means?
Credit. Debit. Credit.
Capital decrease.
Debit.
Sir.
Debit.
I'm getting mixed answers for this. I got
Debit,
two
sir.
debits and two credits.
Debit, sir.
Debit.
Final answer. Capital decrease means?
Debit.
Debit, sir. Debit.
Asset, income, liability. Income decrease.
Debit. Debit, sir.
Debit.
Debit, sir.
Fine. Asset and expenses, when they increase, what we shall do?
Debit, sir.
Asset and expense increase means? Debit.
Debit.
Liability, income and capital. Liability, income and capital, when they decrease, what we shall do?
Credit. Debit.
Debit, sir.
When they decrease, what we shall do? Debit.
Debit.
Liability, income and capital, when they increase, what we shall do?
Credit. Credit, sir.
Credit, sir.
Asset and expenses, when they decrease, what we shall do?
Credit.
Credit. Fantastic, guys. If this concept is clear to you,
So asset and expenses increases means debit.
yeah, I was asking when they decrease, what we shall do.
Okay.
Okay, when they decrease, we have to credit it. So if this concept is clear to all of you, I am absolutely very happy with all of your progress.
Okay.
I can rest assured that the remaining 11th is not going to look tougher. Any chapter for that matter, many of you, the students may find bank reconciliation statement or final account adjustment as chapters which are supposed to be a little tough, but my students will not feel that. Okay. Same way, we will go with the concepts and we will ensure that all these concepts are absolutely clear and made easy to all of you. With this, let's get into the chapter now. Very happy, guys. All of you can applaud yourself for giving all correct answers.
Thank you, sir.
Fantastic, guys. Okay, let's get into the chapter now. Can you see my screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, guys. So we'll start with chapter 8, illustration 1. I think illustration 1 is more of discussion only. Analyze the following transaction. State the nature of accounts and the accounts that will be debited and credited as per the traditional classification of accounts. Okay. One second, guys. I'm not able to admit someone. Yeah. So question number 1, illustration 1, analyze the following transaction. The first one, do we have to discuss again? Dinesh started business introducing capital. This is under
Yeah, sir.
this is under traditional classification of accounts. That means they're talking about golden rules. Clear? Dinesh started introducing capital with 1,50,000 in cash. Everyone knows accounting entry is cash account debit to capital account. Cash will come under which category, guys?
Asset.
Asset,
Yes.
sir. Asset.
In golden rules,
Asset, sir.
yes. All of you are right, but in golden rules, we have to classify under personal, real, and nominal. Guys, cash will come under which category?
Real account.
Assets. Real account.
Real account.
Real.
Okay. I appreciate that all of you are too much into modern rules, but when the question asks golden rule, we are forced to give golden rules only. Okay, in golden rules, we have personal, real, and nominal account. I think all of you have forgotten about golden rules. Let me discuss that again now. Illustration 1. First is transactions, accounts involved. Okay. Transactions, account involved, nature of account. What is the golden rule we have applied? And the last one is debit and credit. Someone else has joined, I think one more guest. Okay, I think during presentation I have a issue adding someone. Okay. Golden rule applied and followed by debit and credit. Okay. Quickly, guys, we will not take much time because we have to complete a lot of questions today. And one more thing, did you all read my notification? I told that tomorrow there is a class. All of you are aware?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, guys.
Yes, sir.
There is a small change in my plan. So tomorrow there is a class. Sunday, be rest assured there will not be any class. Okay. So we already had 2 classes now. So tomorrow again we will have class. Sunday you can enjoy a break and there will be no classes on Sunday. Okay. Now coming to this transactions. The first transaction is what, guys?
Cash.
First transaction is Dinesh started business introducing capital of 1,50,000 in cash. Dinesh started business with 1,50,000 in cash. Account involved. Everyone knows the account involved. 2 account, guys, quickly.
Cash and capital, sir.
Capital.
Cash and capital.
Cash and capital.
Okay. Under golden rules, nature of account.
Cash is
What
a
it?
real account and the normal capital is a personal account.
Capital is a personal account. We can go a little slow also. Let everyone also answer. No problem. Golden rule applied. What is the golden rule applied, guys? Yes, everyone, guys. What is the golden rule applied? In real account?
Debit what comes in, credit what goes in.
Debit what comes in. And in personal account?
Credit,
Giver.
Debit the
Credit
receiver,
the
credit
giver.
the giver.
credit the giver, sir.
Credit the
Credit the
giver.
giver.
Okay. Amount is 1,50,000, 1,50,000.
1,50,000 and the credit is 1,50,000.
Yes, you're right. Clear? So easy.
Yes, sir.
Next one. So why is everyone silent? Opened a bank account by depositing 1 lakh in cash.
The bank's accounts involved were bank and cash, sir.
Opened a bank account.
Open the bank account. Procedures.
Okay. 2 accounts are involved, guys.
Bank and cash.
Bank
sir.
and cash.
Bank and cash.
Bank
Bank and cash and bank is a personal account and cash is a real account.
Fine. That is right. We can take time also so that we are not going too fast. Bank is a personal account and cash is a real account. In personal account, what is the rule applied, guys?
Debit the receiver.
Credit the giver.
Debit the receiver, sir.
Debit the receiver.
And
real
credit part goes out.
Credit what?
Goes out.
Goes out. Okay. 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Third one. Received loan 1 lakh from Naresh by check. Received loan 1 lakh from Naresh by check. Okay, let me ask you questions, guys. Then you can answer. Okay, received loan. Which account, guys? For received loan, what is the account?
Bank.
Cash account and loan account.
Bank.
Yeah, for received loan, one is bank loan. And how are we receiving this? By check. When it is by check, that means which account? Cash account or bank account?
Bank account.
Bank
Bank.
account. sir.
Bank.
Bank, sir, because check refers to bank.
Absolutely right. You are absolutely right. So bank account and bank loan. Bank account is what, guys? Personal account.
Personal.
Personal.
And bank loan? Bank loan?
is also personal.
Personal.
Bank loan is also personal. Debit the receiver and credit the giver.
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 Credit the giver. Okay. 1 lakh. My favorites are always modern rules, guys, because that will ensure that the entire your academic journey and the professional journey for accounts becomes very easy when you understand the golden rules modern rules completely. Golden rules, okay, it's academically very important, but for your life, entire life, modern rules will be holding very much significance. Purchase furniture for 20,000 in cash. See, whenever in cash comes, the remaining sentences or wordings are not important. Purchase furniture for 20,000 in cash. Our question ends here. From Raj Furniture House, that wordings are irrelevant. Clear? Why? Because whenever we do a cash purchase, we are not bothered from whom we have purchased or whom we have sold. Why I am not able to admit people? Okay, I think because of presentation, some issues is there. Let me stop presenting for a moment, guys. Let me admit them first. Okay, yeah. Okay. Nana, you are following the class?
Sir, sorry, sir. My network is not connected in the laptop, and that's why, sir, I left it.
No problem. Naina, you are following the class?
What's that?
Yes, sir.
No, not to you. Naina. Yeah. So bank
What's
account and bank loan. Next one. Purchase furniture 20,000 in cash, guys.
Okay.
Purchased furniture 20,000 in cash from Raj Furniture House. Two accounts which are involved, guys.
Furniture and cash.
Furniture and cash. Furniture and cash. Why not Raj? Why not Raj Furniture House?
Because they clearly mention cash, sir.
Absolutely right. Fantastic reasoning. Furniture is a real account. Cash is
Real account.
real account. Debit what comes in
Credit was go, sir.
goes out. Fantastic, guys. Credit what goes out. See, the next illustration 2 is modern rules. Illustration 2 is modern rules. Same question under modern rule. So we will extend this illustration. Maybe once we complete golden rules, we'll do the same thing with modern rules also. Purchase furniture from Delhi Safe. From Delhi Safe for rupees 40,000. Now here they have not mentioned cash. So it's a
Furniture and Delhi safe was involved, sir.
purchased furniture from Delhi Safe for 40,000. You are right, Pranav. For 40,000. One account is furniture. Another account, which is the second account, guys?
And the Delhi safe was involved. Delhi
Yes,
safe.
yes. You are absolutely right. Delhi Safe. So
And
furniture is
furniture is real, and Delhi safe is personal.
yes. So Delhi Safe. Which account is that, guys? Delhi Safe. Everyone.
Personal.
Personal.
How is it
Personal.
come personal, sir?
Because you have to pay to someone, right? Because when you purchase on credit, you have to pay to a person only, right? You have to pay to someone. So that is the reason why it becomes a personal account. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it is a personal account. You are absolutely right, guys. Credit the giver. Debit what comes in.
Okay.
40,000.
4,000 and debit and 4,000 credit.
Is it 4,000 or 40,000?
40,000.
40,000, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Mistake like this will take your marks. Entire question will be right. If you put the amount wrong, you will lose marks, guys. Fine. Purchase goods for cash 15,000. Purchase goods for cash 15,000. Purchased goods for cash. How much? 15,000. Two accounts which are involved, guys.
Purchase and cash, sir.
Purchase account and cash account.
Fantastic, Yash. Purchase account and cash account. Purchase will come under which category?
Nominal.
Nominal.
Nominal. Yes, you were telling expenses. Expenses will be under modern rule. Here we have to mention as nominal account. Cash. Cash is
Real.
asset, but asset we use under modern. Here we call it as
Real.
Real.
real account. Okay. So debit all expenses and losses and credit all income and gain. So we are using debit cash real, credit what?
Goes,
Goes on.
Credit what goes on. Fantastic, guys.
The amount is 1,05,000, 1,500, 15,000, sir.
15,000. 1,05,000, 1,500 or 15,000. Three answers I got.
Sorry, sir, 15,000. Sorry, I
15,000.
mistaken. Sorry.
Okay. Okay. One suggestion to all of you. Okay. Everyone knows the concept. In amount, why do we make a mistake? We make a mistake only because we are trying to hurry up actually. Okay. So if we stay a little, means if we read the question carefully, because making a mistake in number also will reduce your marks. You will have everything correctly, but if the number is mentioned wrongly, you will lose marks. And I want my students to be perfect in everything. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will not make any mistake, whether it is in number, whether it is in concept, or whether it is in calculation. Fantastic, guys. Seventh, purchase goods from Mahesh, 30,000. Very simple, guys. For you, you will be finding it very simple now. Purchase goods from Mahesh.
Purchase and Mahesh, sir.
Purchase and Mahesh. Fantastic. Purchase and Mahesh. Okay. Why purchases? Because it's a nominal account. Why Mahesh? Because it's a
Personal.
personal account. Debit all expenses and losses. Mahesh, personal account. What is the rule?
Credit the giver.
Credit the giver. Fantastic, guys. Credit the giver. Amount is how much? 30,000. 30,000 and 30,000. Fantastic. Next one. Sold goods to Karim for cash. Sold goods to Sham on credit. Cash received from Sham. Cash paid to Mahesh. All of you are aware of all these four transactions? Okay, I will repeat it because few of them, they have missed my golden rules classes. So for them, I will just repeat it again. Sold goods to Karim for cash, 25,000.
Cash and sales was involved, sir.
1 second. First, let me write down. Sold. Repeat the question, guys. Sold goods to? Sold goods to?
For cash.
Sold goods to? Otherwise, I have to switch my screen. That's why I was asking you. Sold goods to
Karim, sir.
Karim
Karim.
for
Cash.
25,000.
25,000.
In
Sold
this,
goods
cash and sales involved, sir.
Sold goods to Karim for cash. Yes, cash
And sales.
and sales. Cash, everyone knows, is
Real.
real account. Sales
Real
is
account and
nominal
sales is a
account.
nominal account.
Okay.
Debit what comes in.
Debit what comes in, credit all incomes and gains.
Income and gain.
Credit all incomes and gains, sir.
Fantastic, fantastic, guys. How much, guys? 25,000.
25,000.
Okay, let me take a pause here. Anyone who has a doubt in any of the 8 transactions? Anyone who has a doubt in any of the 8 transactions? No? Because I see only 3 or 4 voices, but yes, you have a doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, that upside down thumbs up was you are having no doubt, correct? Okay. Sold goods to Sham on credit. Sold goods to Sham on credit. Sold goods to Sham on credit. Tell me, guys.
Sham and sales.
Sham and sales. Sham and sales.
Sham is personal.
Yes,
Sales is
Sham.
nominal.
Fantastic. Sham is personal.
Personal account is debit receiver, sir.
Debit the
Receiver. And
receiver.
the amount involved is 30,000.
Read again.
30,000, sir. 30,000.
Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. My mistake. 30,000. 30,000 and 30,000. Now we have cash received from Sham. Cash received from Sham.
Cash received from Sham.
Cash
and
account
Sham
and
was involved, sir.
Yes. One by one, guys. Cash account and
Sham.
Cash and Sham was involved.
yes, absolutely right. Cash is a
Cash
real
is
account.
real and Sham is a personal.
Personal.
Sham is what, guys?
Personal. Personal.
Personal. Fantastic,
Personal,
guys.
sir.
Fantastic, guys.
Cash is a debit what comes in, sir.
Yes. Debit what comes in.
Credit
And
the
personal
giver.
account, credit the giver.
Uh,
Fantastic,
What
guys.
is the giver?
Fantastic, guys. Fantastic.
And,
How much is the amount?
Amount involved was 20,000, sir.
20,000.
20,000, sir.
20,000. Fantastic. Fantastic, guys. Last transaction.
Cash paid
Cash
to
paid to,
Mahesh.
cash paid to Mahesh. How much?
10,000.
10,000.
Cash
Okay.
and
Two
Mahesh.
accounts.
Mahesh.
Mahesh to cash or
Mahesh
cash to
and
Mahesh?
cash.
Mahesh and cash.
Mahesh to
sir.
cash.
Mahesh and cash, sir.
Mahesh
Yes.
and cash. sir.
Yes, 1 second. Yes, whether it is cash to Mahesh or Mahesh to cash.
Sir, Mahesh to cash.
Fantastic. Okay. Mahesh is a personal account and cash is a
Real.
real account. Fantastic, guys.
Real.
Mahesh debit the receiver.
Is the receiver?
Credit what
And
goes out.
credit what goes out.
Goes in.
How much? 10,000 and
10,000.
10,000. Okay. So this completes my illustration 1. Same thing, they have asked us to analyze this transaction under modern classification. Okay. Under modern classification, let me ask you, I'm not doing it, guys. We have done enough of modern in the last class. Okay. Now, Dinesh started business with cash. What are the two accounts involved, guys?
Cash and capital.
Cash capital, sir.
Cash and capital. Cash will come under which category?
Asset
Cash is asset.
Cash is an asset and capital is capital.
capital.
Why cash is increasing or decreasing?
Cash is
Cash
increasing, sir.
Increase means
Debit, sir.
Debit.
debit. Okay, it will not take much time for me to complete under modern rules also.
Yes, sir.
Let me do under modern rules also so that you guys are. I will hide these things. Okay. Accounts involved. This is under golden rules. Same thing I will copy for modern rules. Okay. Account involved, I think all of you are aware, we just now did. So it will make my rule easy. So here we will classification, modern rule classification. Okay. And rule applied. Okay. So cash will come under which category, guys?
Asset.
Assets.
Capital.
Asset, sir.
Capital is capital.
Capital.
Capital is capital. Fantastic, guys. Asset is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increase. All two of them were increased, sir.
Increasing.
Asset increase means
Debit.
Debit.
Habit.
asset.
Liability increase means credit, sir.
Credit. Capital.
It is liability or capital?
Capital.
Capital, sir. Capital.
Capital increases, sir.
Capital increase means
Credit.
credit.
Credit, sir.
Credit.
Everyone is right, guys. I appreciate the enthusiasm all of you are having today to participate first. Fantastic, guys. That means
Thank you,
you are
sir.
in top. That means you are on top of the concept. This comes only when you start understanding and you are on top of the concept. Fantastic, guys. But even though you all know, but let's go little slow because this is again the first question of chapter number 8. Okay, we'll take a moment to answer. All of you can participate. Opened a bank account. Bank account is which category?
Asset, sir.
Asset.
Asset, sir.
Asset. Cash is which
Asset.
category?
Sir.
Cash is also asset.
Asset. One asset is increasing, another asset is decreasing. Asset increase means debit, and
Debit.
asset decrease means
Credit, sir.
Credit, sir.
asset decrease means credit. My
Credit, sir.
my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Received loan 1 lakh from Naresh by check. Bank account we know asset. Bank loan
Liability, sir.
Liability.
liability. Fantastic, guys. Everyone participate, guys. I want all of you to answer. Asset increase means debit. And what is happening when I get a loan? My liability is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing.
Liability increase means
Credit.
Credit, sir.
increase means credit. Fantastic, guys. Wonderful participation. Next, furniture and cash both are
Assets.
Assets, sir.
asset. So my job is easy. Asset increase means debit. Asset decrease means
Credit.
Asset means debit, asset decrease means credit.
fantastic, guys.
Furniture
Next,
is also
furniture.
asset, sir. Furniture is also asset.
Asset. When I purchase a furniture, my asset will increase or decrease?
Increase, sir. Increase.
Increase. I am purchasing this on cash or credit?
Credit,
Cash.
sir. Credit.
Credit. Credit means
Liability, sir.
liability increase means
Credit, sir.
Credit.
liability increase means credit. Fantastic, guys. Purchase goods for cash. Purchase is which account?
Expense.
Expense.
Expense, sir.
When I make a purchase, my expenses increase or decrease?
Increase.
Please, sir.
Expense increase means
Debit.
Debit,
fantastic,
sir.
Yash. Fantastic, Pranav. Fantastic, Aditya. Everyone, fantastic, guys. Cash,
Cash
Asset.
is an asset, sir. Asset.
Asset.
Asset, sir.
Asset.
Asset.
Asset decreases means credit, sir.
Debit.
yes,
Credit.
well done.
So asset decreases
Krishna.
means credit.
Asset
Asset
decrease means
Credit, sir.
credit, guys. Purchase and Mahesh. Purchase goods from Mahesh. Purchase is an expense, we know. Expense increase means debit. Mahesh,
Liability, sir.
Liability.
liability increase means credit. Sold goods to Karim. Cash, we all know.
Asset, sir. Asset.
Sales.
Asset increase means
Asset increase means debit, sir.
sales is what?
Expense, sir.
Sales. When you make a sale, is it your expenses?
Income.
That's
Income.
the revenue.
Sir, it is the income.
Income. Income is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing, sir.
Increasing.
Income increase means
Credit.
Credit.
credit. Fantastic, guys. Sham account debit to sales account. Sham is what? I am making a credit sales. So Sham is my
Asset.
Sham is my debtor.
Asset.
Mahesh was my
Creditor.
creditor. So Sham is a debtor. Debtor is an asset. Sales is an income. Same concept. Asset increase means debit. Income increase means credit.
Credit, sir.
Last two transaction. Cash received from Sham. When I receive cash is an asset. Sham is also an
Asset.
asset.
Asset,
One
sir.
asset is increasing cash. Another asset is decreasing. Asset increase means debit.
Asset decrease means credit, sir.
Credit. Fantastic, guys. Mahesh account debit to cash account. Mahesh was my liability.
Liability, sir.
Cash is an asset. Asset
Liability
decrease means credit.
Credit.
Liability
Liability.
decrease means
Debit, sir.
Debit.
Debit. Sorry. Liability decrease.
liability
Debit.
decrease means
Debit,
what I
sir.
have to
Debit.
debit. Fantastic, guys. So easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 questions already completed
Yes, sir.
in this chapter.
sir.
All the 18 questions will be like this. There are 18
Okay, sir.
illustrations in this chapter. All the 18 illustrations, you are already aware of the answers. Clear? Let us see illustration number 3 now. Okay. Now, from illustration 3, we will start using the format. So far, only concept was there. Now, see, one thing I repeatedly tell you guys. One thing I repeatedly tell you, if you want to score maximum, don't compromise on format. Even if you write everything correctly, you will get 50% only if the format is not correct. So there is a high emphasis and a high value attached to formats. We may know the concept, but it is very important. The presentation and format is very important to secure the maximum marks. Okay. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
format is very important. Pass journal entries. See, so far the question did not ask us. They are only asking analyze the transaction. The question was analyze the transaction. So we did only analysis of transaction. So what we did, this was analysis of transaction. This was not a journal entry. Journal entry was not in the proper format. Okay. This is analysis of transaction. Okay. Now illustration 3 is asking us to journalize a transaction. Illustration 3, journalize the transaction. For journal entry, format is, this is the first time we are doing a full format. Okay, format is date, particular, LF, ledger folio. Ledger folio will always be blank, but this is part of the format. Even though it is blank, still you have to write because it is
Sir.
part of the format.
Sir, is there no questions where LF is?
No,
No
you will not
questions.
have to mention LF because you don't know from which ledger it is coming, which page of the ledger, from which ledger it is coming, you don't know.
Why, what is the importance of LF in?
See,
Yes,
all the journals get posted to a ledger, right?
sir.
All
Yes.
the journals get posted to a ledger. Ledger folio will tell in which ledger or which page number of the ledger this journal is getting posted. That is called as ledger folio.
Oh,
In ledgers, you will have journal folio. In ledgers, you will have journal folio. We will have a column called JF. In journals, we will have ledger folio. Okay.
Okay,
It will always be blank, but part of the format. Debit, and this is also important, rupees, because we are maintaining our accounts in Indian rupee or American dollars.
Indian.
rupee, sir.
Indian rupee. So you have to denominate the amount. You have to mention amount in rupees. You have to mention amount in rupees. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So format is date,
Particular.
Particular,
ledger
LF.
folio,
Ledger
ledger
folio.
folio,
Debit.
debit and credit.
debit and
Credit.
credit. The format is not complete because one thing we are,
Amount.
give me a moment, guys. I will stop presenting now. Give me a moment, guys. Okay. Yeah, guys, I may get a call actually. Fine. Okay, let's continue. So the format is still not complete. Okay. What we have to mention? We have to mention whose journal is this? Journal of
Ashmita.
Ashmita. This is also important. And just now we were discussing whether this debit and credit is in amount is in
Rupees. Indian rupees. Indian rupees.
amount in rupees, like that you have to mention. This completes my format. Credit also. Amount in rupees. Okay. Now we will do this complete question. Illustration 3.
Sir, the screen is not visible.
Yes,
Screen is
sir.
not visible. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. Okay. Thank you for intimating me. Okay. So first one is Ashmita started business investing capital in cash. Ashmita started business investing capital in cash.
Rupees 1 lakh.
Rupees 1 lakh.
Rupees 1 lakh, sir.
Date is, when is the date, guys? April 1, 2026. So we
26.
mention the date as 1st April 2026.
2026.
Particular. Okay. Now
Star.
we can directly mention the journal entry. Asmita started business investing in cash. Journal entry is cash account debit
On debt.
To capital account.
to capital account. Always when the question is silent, which rule to use? I will prefer my students to think about modern rules and apply. Your friends in your classes and all will be following golden rules. They may find it more easy, but I want my students to follow modern rules, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The reason is modern rules will never confuse you. You will have a clarity because everything can be classified as asset or expenses or liability, income and capital. Clear? Very simple. If it is increasing or decreasing, only we have to think whether it is increasing or decreasing. So modern rules are very straightforward. So we will always think from modern rules point of view. And in our classes also, we will always discuss modern rules. Until the question is specifically on golden rules, we will not discuss golden rules. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Because I am preparing you for the next level. So to come to the next level, we should always have modern rules in mind. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So cash account debit to capital, ledger folio, ledger folio we can.
This blank, sir. Ledger folio.
One second, guys. One second, guys. Okay. So we will think about the modern rules and we will complete the problem, guys. So cash account debit to capital account. Why cash account? Why cash account, guys? Because asset is increasing. Asset increase means debit. Accounting entry will be, guys, how much is the amount? 1 lakh
Lakh, sir.
and 1 lakh.
Lakh, sir.
This is
Great.
transaction number 1.
1.
Serial number is not part of the format. I'm just writing so that we are tracking the problem correctly. Serial number 1. Second, purchased office furniture against cash. Quickly, guys, purchased office furniture against cash. When is the date, guys? April 2nd, 2nd April 2026.
2nd April.
Okay, one more thing I forgot to tell. Always, a journal entry is never complete without a narration. If you don't put narration, you will lose again 50% of the mark. What is a narration? Narration is nothing but a description of the journal entry. Being whatever is given in the question, right, that becomes the narration. Being Ashmita started business with cash. Being Asmita started
Business with cash.
with cash. This is called narration. Without narration, a journal entry is always incomplete, guys. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Don't skip the journal entry. If you skip the journal entry, your examiner will skip giving you marks. Purchased office furniture against cash. Quickly, journal entry is what?
Furniture account debit to cash account.
Cash.
Debit
Account
to-
debit to cash account.
Cash
To
account.
cash account. How much is the amount, guys?
5,000.
5,000, sir.
5,000, sir.
Anything missing in this format, guys?
Narration.
Narration.
Narration, sir.
Being
Goods
Furniture.
purchased for cash.
not goods.
Again.
Goods is different.
Furniture.
Being furniture purchased for cash.
Sorry, sir.
Cash.
Being
Okay.
furniture purchased.
Third one. What is the third one?
Purchased goods
Goods
in
in cash.
cash.
Purchased goods in cash.
When is this date? Is 3rd April.
3rd April.
The date is 3rd April.
2026.
Okay. What is the journal entry, guys?
Goods
Purchase
Purchase
account
account debit
cash
to cash account.
How much is the amount?
20,000.
20,000, sir.
20,000. 20,000. Anything missing?
narration, sir.
Narration, sir.
Narration.
Yes. Why I am repeating is so that it gets registered in your mind. Being goods purchased in,
Goods purchased for cash.
Purchased by cash.
that is the narration. Simple,
Okay.
guys. Whatever is given in the question is the narration. Fourth. What is the
Fourth.
fourth one?
Fourth.
Purchase goods from Hari and Co.
Aryan.
Okay. Amount. What is the this one?
April
Date
4th,
is
sir.
okay.
April
Date is in serial number April 4th. April 26.
Purchased account debtor.
Debit to Hari and Co.
Yes. Purchase account debit to
Hari and Co. Sir.
which rule you are thinking in your mind, guys?
Some modern.
Yes. Make it a habit to think on modern rules. Being goods purchased for from Hari and Co. How much is the amount, guys?
1 lakh.
1 lakh, sir.
Next one.
Sold goods against cash, sir.
Sold goods against cash. Okay. What is the accounting entry?
Cash account debit.
Cash
to
account debit to sales account.
Cash account debit to sales
Debit to
account.
sales.
If you have a doubt in framing a journal entry, you can always put which are the two accounts, cash account and sales account. Then think whether cash is increasing or decreasing. whether income is increasing or decreasing. If cash is increasing, debit cash. If income is decreasing, credit income. Okay, you can go step by step and then finally form the journal entry. All this can be done in your mind only. Clear? Now you are able to do it so quickly because those things we have discussed extensively in the previous chapter. But when you have a doubt, don't write a wrong journal entry. Just think which are the two accounts involved. Talk to yourself, understand which are the two accounts involved, cash and sales. Okay. Whether cash is an asset is increasing or decreasing. Sales is an income is increasing or decreasing. Talk to yourself like this, automatically you will get the debit and credit on your own. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So cash account debit to sales account. This is 5th April 2026. Okay. How much is the amount, guys?
20,000.
20,000, sir.
20,000. 20,000. Okay. Narration is being
Narration.
Goods sold for cash.
Being good sold for cash, sir.
yes. This narration is 50% of your mark, almost 32%. Many teachers, they give lot of weightage to narration. Because if you don't put the narration, the transaction is not clear. What transaction is this? Clear? So narration is very, very important. Don't miss the narration. 6. Sold goods to Ramesh and Co.
Sold goods to Ramesh.
Sold goods to Ramesh and Co. What is the accounting entry, guys?
Ramesh and
Ramesh and Co. account debit to sales account.
account.
Ramesh and Co. Why I debited Ramesh and Co?
They are debtor.
Debtor. Ramesh and Co. is a
Debtor.
debtor. Increase in asset has to be debited. Increase in income has to be credited.
Credit.
Credited.
Okay. How much is the amount, guys?
75,000, sir. 75,000.
75,000, sir.
Being goods sold to
Sold to Ramesh and Co.
Being good sold to Ramesh.
So goods sold on credit also we can write.
being goods sold to credit on Ramesh and Co. That is also fine. Both are fine, but yeah, the more we make it descriptive, the more easy for someone to understand what is the transaction. See, narration is only to understand what is the transaction, guys. Paid salary to staff in cash.
Salary account and
Salary account debit to cash account.
salary account data to cash, sir.
Okay,
Salary
salary account
account
debit
data to cash.
to cash account. Yes.
Being salary paid, sir. Being salary paid to staff.
Yes, being paid salary to staff in cash, that is fine. 7th. Amount is how much?
15,000.
15,000.
15,000, sir.
15,000
15,000, sir.
and 15,000. Very good, guys. Next one.
Paid electricity bill, sir.
Paid electricity bill. Electricity bill.
Paid electricity bill. Okay. Paid
Electricity bill, sir. Being electricity bill paid by cash.
narration should come in the last. I am just writing it. So what is the accounting entry, guys? Electricity expenses.
Account
Electricity
debit.
expenses account data
Expenses
to cash,
account
sir.
debit to cash account.
Debit to cash.
Electricity expenses account data to cash, sir.
This is on which date,
And
guys?
amount is 2,000.
2,000, sir.
Yes. 8th April. Don't miss the format, guys. Date was missing. How much is the amount?
2,000.
2,000.
2,000, sir.
2,000, sir.
Okay. Next one. Next one.
The paid telephone bill, sir.
Paid telephone bill. Being telephone bill. Telephone expenses account data to cash.
To cash.
So telephone expenses, sir.
Telephone, sir.
I did not complete it. Telephone expenses debit to cash. How much is the amount, guys?
April 2026.
500, sir.
So 5,000.
500, sir.
500 or 500. Okay. Next one, purchase stationery in cash.
Stationery account debtor to cash.
Account
Yes.
to cash, sir.
Sir, this is 5,000.
Being stationery purchased by cash. Yes, sir.
In cash, narration will always come in the last. But since I don't have the question in front of me, I'm just writing the narration first. Entry is what?
Stationery account
Purchase
debit to
stationery
cash
account.
Stationery account debtor to cash.
Stationery expenses account debit to cash. This is on. How much is the amount, guys?
250, sir. 250.
250, sir. 250.
250 and 250. This is the perfect, what you call the presentation to get the maximum marks. Starting from heading. What is the heading? This also carries marks, guys. This also carries marks. This also carries marks. Date, debit, credit, narration carries a lot of marks. Many students, what they do, they will write cash account debit to capital without writing the narration. Everything will be correct. Only the narration will be missing. Question number will be 5 marks. They will get only 3 marks. Only since narration is missing. Everything is correct. Perfect. Only narration is missing. They will lose 40 to 50% of the marks. Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
whenever you are practicing also, don't think that I will write the narration directly in the exam. It will never happen. Because habits are, as I always say, habits are not built in a day. What you don't do at home, you will never do in exam also.
Okay, sir.
Clear? So it's always important that whatever we want to do in exam, we have to do that in home. Whatever we want to do in exam, we have to first start that exercise at home. Okay, only if you practice along with narration, then only you will write in exam along with narration. Clear, guys? So let's do that because it is very important to score marks. Next
Yes,
one, guys. Illustration 3 is over.
Illustration 4, sir.
See the format here also. Absolutely same. Date, particular ledger folio, debit, credit. This is what can give you the full marks. Illustration 4. Pawan started business with cash. Purchase computer. Okay, let us
Purchase
discuss.
cash and capitalism also. Cash account debtor to capital.
We have discussed this so many times. Opened bank account with check from saving account. Opened bank account with check from saving account. What is the accounting entry for this?
Bank account debtor to capital.
Bank account data to
Capital.
capital. Okay. Tell me the reason for this. Okay. See, there is a wording called saving account. When the wording saving account is mentioned, right, that means he is using his personal
Right.
cash and bringing into the business. Okay. Opened bank account with check from saving account. That means he is using his personal cash to introduce into the business, and he is introducing in the form of a check. He is introducing in the form of a check. So what will come into the business? What will come into the business is the bank balance will increase, and this increase in bank balances will also increase the capital account. So accounting entry will be bank account debit to capital account. Clear? Opened. So I will do illustration 4, not the entire problem, but limited problem. Illustration 4.
So please explain this part
Yes,
once
I will
again.
explain again. I will explain again. Whose journal is this, guys? Journal of? No. Next question. Illustration 4. Whose journal is this?
Pawan.
Journal of Pawan. Okay. I am skipping serial number 1. It is Pawan started business with cash. You all know. Second one is important. Second one is what? Opened bank account. Second one is opened bank account. Opened bank account with check. With check from savings. account. Okay, let me explain to all of you guys. Opened bank account. When bank account is opened, which are the two accounts involved, guys? When bank account is opened, one account is bank account, clear?
Yes.
Another account we will mention as cash. Another account will mention as cash. Generally, we will mention as cash, but in this question, we cannot mention as cash. The reason is it is mentioned opened bank account with check. From which account? From saving account. When we can mention cash? When the business is giving cash and depositing into the bank, we can use cash. When it is from a saving account, it is owner's own money, not the business money of the business. Clear? When it is from a saving account is a personal account. Is businessman's account, not the business account. If it is from the business account, accounting entry will be like cash deposited into bank entry will be bank account debit to cash account. But here I cannot use cash account because it is owner's saving account. Business will never have a saving account. Business will always have a current account. Business will always have a current account. When saving account is mentioned, that is an indication that the businessman is using his personal money and putting into the bank. When he puts his personal money into the bank, that becomes what? Capital. Clear? It is same as the first transaction. First transaction was introduce cash. Second transaction was introduced capital through bank account. Entry is bank account debit to capital account. You can underline the word. Saving account. Saving account means businessman's personal account being opened bank account with check from saving account. Clear? When is the date, guys?
April 2.
April 2nd. How much is the amount?
50,000.
50,000. 50,000. Yash, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why it is capital? Because only because of the words that is used saving account. Saving account means it is businessman's own cash or bank account that he is introducing into the business. When businessman uses his own cash or bank account balance, it becomes what? It becomes capital. Clear? Any doubt?
Not
A very tricky. 99% of the students will make a mistake in this. 99% I am telling you, will make a mistake in this. Mark it as important, guys. And underline the word saving account also. You can mention in bracket, you can mention personal account of proprietor. Personal account of proprietor means businessman. Personal account of owner you can mention. Personal account of proprietor you can mention. Personal account of businessman you can mention. Clear? Purchase computer in cash. Do you want me to discuss this?
No need, sir.
Computer
Wait.
account debit to cash account.
Yes, computer account debit to cash account.
Being
Next is
computer.
paid for repairs of office. Repairs account debit to cash account. Purchase goods.
Purchase account debit to cash account.
Fantastic. Purchase goods from Prasad and Co. Purchase
Purchase
account debit to.
Account debit to Prasad and Company.
Yes.
company.
Sold goods. Cash account.
Cash
Sold
account
goods.
debit to sales account.
Yes. Sold goods to Dev and Co.
Dev and Company account debit to sales account.
Yes. Now I am returning the same goods to Dev and Co. Ulta entry, opposite entry.
Dev
When
and
I
Company
sold
account
goods,
debit to
Yes.
sales account.
when I sold goods, entry was Dev and Co to sales. When I will return the goods, entry will be
Dev and
sales return account debit.
Sales
Sales return
returns
account debit.
account debit to
Dev and
Dev
Dev and Co.
Dev and Co. Decrease in income. Decrease in income has to be
debit.
sold goods to Dev and Co. I will write it down, guys.
Decrease in income has to be debited, sir.
Sold goods to, sorry, not sold goods, returned goods to Dev and Co. returned goods as they are defective. Sales return accounting entry is sales return account debit. Sales return account debit to
Dev and company.
Dev and Co. Why sales return is debited?
Because it is an income.
Decrease in income. It is a decrease in income. Decrease in income has to be debited. Amount is how much?
15,000.
15,000 and 15,000. Any doubt, guys?
No doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, narration will be being Dev and Co. returned goods as they are defective. Narration is very simple. Just add the word being. Your narration is over. Clear? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Next one is goods returned to Prasad and Co. We purchased some goods from Prasad and Co.
Prasad and
Goods.
company account debit to purchase return.
Goods returned to Prasad and Co. Purchase return. Purchase, when I made a purchase was debited. When I return the purchase will be credited. And we call that as purchase return. Prasad and Co. debit to
Purchase return account.
purchase return. Why purchase return is credited? Decrease in expenses. Decrease in
Expenses.
When I made a purchase, it was an increase in expenses. Why Prasad and Co is debited? Decrease in. Do I have to pay Prasad and Co now?
No, because they are receivers.
Because it's a return. They have returned I am returning the purchases. When I am returning the purchases, my liability will also decrease. Here, what is the thing? Sales return, decrease in income. Asset, decrease in asset. My debtor will decrease in asset. Dev and Co is, for your understanding, it is debtors. Prasad and Co, for your understanding, it is Prasad and Co is
Creditor.
creditors. Okay. Being goods returned to
Prasad and Co.
Prasad and Co. This is the complete entry for this one, guys. Any doubt? So I have done which one?
No, sir.
I have done sold goods. I have done April 9 and April 10. I'm not doing everything because everything else you know. April 9, April 10. Okay, April 9, April 10. Paid salaries, everyone knows. Salary account debit to
Cash.
cash account.
Salary account debtor to cash, sir.
Yes.
And the amount is 15,000.
I'm not doing that. Everyone knows that. So we don't have to spend time on this. I'm doing only transactions which are different in nature. So I did only 3 transactions which are different in nature. Other transactions you are already aware. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? So this completes my format. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I did only April 2nd. April 2nd, April 9th, and April 10th. Only 3 transactions I did. You can complete the remaining, guys. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Let's move to illustration 5. Oh, illustration 5 is having a lot of transactions. Okay. No problem. We'll take a chota illustration. Okay, let's complete illustration 5, and with that we can wind up the class. Illustration 5.
Yeah.
Okay, here again I will do only
Transaction of Ramesh for April 2026, sir.
journal of whose journal is this? Ramesh. Journal of Ramesh. Okay, let's do quickly, guys. Ramesh started business by investing in cash 50,000 and check 1 lakh. Cash 50,000 and check 1 lakh. Accounting entry, guys, quickly.
Cash account debit, bank account
Cash-
debit to capital account.
Fantastic, guys. Cash account debit.
Capital account data. Sir, bank account data to capital, sir.
Both. He is bringing both cash and bank. So accounting entry will be cash account debit. Cash, how much?
10,000.
50,000.
5,000. 50,000.
And bank, how much?
10.
1 lakh.
1
Total
lakh
is how
and
much?
1,50,000, sir.
Total
That's
is. This is also called as compound entry. When there are multiple debits and single credit, or multiple credits and single debit, when there are more than 2 ledgers involved, we also call it as compound entry. Being Ramesh started business with cash 50,000 and capital and bank 1 lakh. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
One
sir.
thing is missing. One thing is missing. What did I miss?
Date.
Date. You will not get marks if you miss anything, because formats are very important, guys. 1st April. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one, paid for repairs. Want me to do?
10,000, sir.
Repairs account debit to cash account. We can-
Repairs account data to cash and the amount is 10,000.
Okay. Let's skip this. Cash deposited into bank. Cash deposited into bank.
Bank
This I
account
will
debit.
do.
Bank account data to cash, sir.
Bank account
bank
debit
account.
to cash.
Fantastic. So everyone is knowing this. So I will skip this also. Purchased goods.
So purchase account
debit
data to cash,
account.
sir.
Okay. Drew cash from bank for office. Drew
Cash account debit to bank account.
cash from bank for office use. What is coming into the business, guys?
Cash.
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 What is
sir.
reducing from the business, guys?
Bank.
Bank.
Bank account. Asset increase and asset decrease being cash withdrawn. English, we have to correct the
cash
English.
withdrawn from bank.
Being cash withdrawn from
From
bank
bank.
for office use. That's it. Some English grammar we have to complete. That's it. How much is that? 4th April. 4th April. Amount is
1,000.
any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Oh, sir.
Purchase goods from Sham, we have discussed so many times. Paid cartage. Cartage is nothing but it is a conveyance kind of an expense. Cartage account debit to cash
To
account.
cash account.
1 second, guys. Okay. So cartage is also called as carriage inward. Carriage inward means anything which is coming into the factory. Last class I discussed, right? Anything which is coming inside factory, we call it as carriage inward. Anything which goes outside factory, we call it as carriage outward. So when we purchase goods, goods are coming in or going out?
Coming in.
Coming in.
The goods are
Coming-
coming in.
Coming in means it will be worded as carriage inward. It will be worded as carriage inward.
Carriage inward.
If goods are going out, goods sold, cartage paid for goods sold, it will be carriage inward or outward?
Carriage
Carriage
outward.
outward.
Carriage outward.
Yeah.
So that is the
Carriage
difference
inward,
between
sir.
that is the difference between carriage inward and carriage outward. Carriage inward means goods coming inside factory. Carriage outward means goods going outside factory. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can use the word cartage also will not reduce your mark, but more technical term is carriage inward. Clear? If you put
Yes.
cartage also, your marks will not get reduced. But we can use a technical word called carriage inward. Okay, next one. Sold goods to Krishna.
Krishna debit to sales.
Received from
Krishna
Krishna.
account
Krishna
debit
debit
to
to
sales account.
Sales account.
Correct.
From Krishna on account.
Okay. Now, received from Krishna on account.
Cash debit to Krishna.
15,000.
Cash account debit to Krishna
Krishna
account.
account that cash account that are to Krishna, sir.
Yes. Paid to Sham by check. Check.
Shyam debit to bank.
Shyam account
Yes, Shyam
debit to bank account.
Bank account.
Yes. Next, placed an order for goods with Parul and Co.
No entry.
So it was not part, sir. Not part of this, sir.
Okay.
Placing
Why?
an order is
Why?
not a transaction.
Placed an order for goods with Parul and Co. See, we have only placed an order. We have only placed an order. We will not record this transaction now. It is not a transaction.
Okay.
The transaction will complete only when I pay cash or when I receive goods. Then only a transaction will complete. Placing an order is not a transaction. Clear?
Yes,
No
sir.
accounting entry will be passed for placing a transaction. Cash sales, everyone knows. Paid salary to Raman.
No, miss. No, sir.
Raman debit to salary.
Salary account debit to cash account.
Salary account debit to Raman.
No. See, when I pay salary to Raman, I will pay how? How I will pay? I will pay in cash only, right?
Cash.
Yes,
Cash.
sir. Cash.
This word,
Salary account debit to cash account.
this word Raman is given only to confuse you. Salary paid to Raman means salary account debit to cash account.
Salary account.
Okay. Only if the salary is not paid. Only if the salary is not paid, then it becomes salary account debit to salary outstanding. Salary account debit to salary outstanding. In case it is not paid, it becomes outstanding. Then it is a liability. Here, I have paid the salary, right? Entry will be salary account debit to cash account. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Received order from Dev along with advance. See here, I am receiving an order and he is paying an advance of 10,000. 1 lakh rupees is the order. I am getting an advance. So placing an order is not a transaction, but receiving an advance is a transaction. Receiving an advance is a transaction because I am receiving 10,000 rupees from someone. So when I receive 10,000 rupees from someone, either I will receive by cash or I will receive by bank. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So cash account debit, advance received. Have I given the service?
No,
Or have
sir.
I delivered the goods? No.
No, sir.
Advance received is a liability. Advance received is a liability because I have not performed my services or I have not sold the goods. So cash account debit to advance received. This entry we will record. Cash or bank account debit. Cash account debit to advance received from whom?
Advance against Dev.
Advance received from
Dev.
Dev, sir.
Dev.
Dev.
Dev. Advance received from Dev. It's a liability.
Okay.
Amount is how much?
Amount is 10,000, sir. 10,000.
10,000. Accounting entry is being
Being
advance received. Advance
received
received
from
from
Dev
Dev
against
against an
an
order of 1 lakh
of
rupees.
10,000.
Advance received how much? 10,000. Order value is 1 lakh. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Date is missing. What is the date, guys?
April 30.
April 30. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Last one. What is the last one, guys? Received
Received the
balance
balance
payment
payment
from-
of Krishna of
1 second. 1 second. Received balance payment from Krishna. I sold goods to Krishna for how much, guys? 15,000. How much I sold? 15,000.
15,000.
How much I received already? How much I received already?
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
15,000 sale, 10,000 already received. So how much is the balance?
5,000.
5,000, sir.
5,000, sir.
Entry is cash account debit to Krishna, 5,000 rupees. Because 15,000 was the sale, 10,000 I already received. So balance amount is 5,000. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I will stop sharing my screen. Okay. So we did a significant amount of transactions today. We completed till illustration 5. Any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
So what is my expectation from you now?
Practice.
Practice what till illustration 5?
Illustration.
Illustration 1 to 5. Before the next class, practice it, guys.
Okay, sir.
And I did only 3 or 4 in the last 2, but you have to complete all the 10 transactions.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear? The
Yes,
more
sir.
you practice, don't be afraid of practicing.
Okay.
I keep repeating this. Don't be afraid of practicing. The more we practice, the more we can be on top of the subject.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Even if you think you know, still practice. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So where you are stuck on.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
1 week of 5 AM challenges. I will stop recording now.
Okay.